Hello guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to cook beetroot curry. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification so you will be get updated for our upcoming videos like this. Before we proceed cooking, let me discuss with you what are the benefits of beetroot to the human body. Beetroots are high in nitrates to provide us with long-lasting energy for enhanced cardiovascular health and exercise performance. Beetroot is loaded with iron for proper oxygen transport in the blood, prevention of iron deficiency, anemia. It contains an antioxidant called BETALAIN, which protects our cells from damage and prevents cancer. Beetroot is also rich in vitamin A for proper eyesight and to prevent night blindness. It also promotes healthy skin cells. Beetroot is also high in fiber for healthy digestive system, helping us to prevent constipation, diarrhea, and reduce risk of colon disease. Beetroot is also a great source of protein, which is essential for the growth and development of all bodily tissues. It has high in potassium, which helps properly transmit nerve impulses and keeps our memory sharp. Beetroot enriched with folic acid, which promotes healthy pregnancy. It's also rich in calcium to make our bones strong and preventing osteoporosis. And last but not the least, high in vitamin C, which is essential in protecting our body from infection and keeps our immune system strong. So that's all the benefits we can get from eating beetroot. Now we are going to cook the beetroot curry. Watch and join with me cooking this Sri Lankan dish, beetroot curry. So here are the ingredients: the beetroot, the fresh coconut milk, we have the garlic, the onion, chili, curry leaves, the mustard seeds, turmeric powder, curry powder, pepper, and salt. So let's start cooking, guys.